Now let me show you how to find the approximate value of the square root of 25.01 without using a calculator, using differentiation. Okay, so we have solution, one of the applications of differentiation. So the first thing we are going to do is say let x 25, then change in x. Let's take it to be the decimal of back 0.01, and let our y be equal to the square root of x. So anything we get, we'll add it to this small change. Don't forget, differentiation is simply the rate of change of y with respect to x. So what happens to y if I tamper with the values of x? All right. So we're going to have from here dy dx will give me from here. Or let's take y. Y can be written as, this is root x, which is same thing as x raised to the power of half. Okay, so dy dx will give me half x half minus 1, and that is half x minus half, which is equals to 1 over 2 indices root x. If this comes down, that's 1 over 2 x raised per half, and x raised per half is the same thing as square root of x. So this can be written as change in y over change in x, which is equal to 1 over 2 root x. If we cross multiply, we're going to see that we're going to have change in y is what? Change in x over 2 root x. That will give us change in y as change in x is 0.01. 01 over 2 times square root of 25. And change in y will give us 0.01 over 2 times 5, and that is 0.01 over 10. So that change in y will be 0.001. So our final answer, square root of 25.01 is square root of x plus this. So that is 5 plus 0.001. That is equals to 5.001.